In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft on your PC or laptop. First, open your browser and go to minecraft.com. Then, at the top of the page, click on Account and select Sign In. If you already have a Microsoft account, choose Sign In with Microsoft and enter your details, or click Sign Up to create a new account if you don't have one yet. After signing in, go to the Games section and click on Go to Downloads. Now choose Download for Windows or scroll down to select the correct version for your operating system. Once the file is downloaded, open your download folder and double-click the Minecraft installer to start the installation process. If prompted, click on the option to log into the Microsoft Store and sign in with your Microsoft account. Agree to the Microsoft software license terms and click Install. When the installation is complete, click Let's Go. The launcher may update automatically, so wait for it to finish. After that, sign in again with your Microsoft account if required. Then select Minecraft Java Edition. If you have not purchased the game yet, click Buy Now, add your payment method, and complete the purchase. Once done, click Play or Install and wait for the game files to finish downloading. After everything is set up, you can launch Minecraft Java Edition anytime from the launcher. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.